Looks like some of them are still trying to follow us. No big deal.
Layo!
If you enjoyed today's adventure, make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check us out on Twitter.
Ala!
Magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another video. So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng secondary NVMe na SSD. So kung ikaw yung klase ng user na looking forward to extend or upgrade yung storage ng inyong PC, and I hope meron ka nang napipili na specific brand or model ng NVMe na gagamitin mo. So in this video, gagamitin natin for the demonstration is a Western Digital Black SN770 which supports or compatible with PCIe Gen 4. So simulan na natin ano-ano yung mga gagawin niyo to install or to enjoy yung inyong secondary drive. So first is you need to put yung NVMe na yon dun sa M.2 na slot. And you have to choose kung ano yung slot na magmamatch based dun sa specifications ng binili ninyo na NVMe drive. So hindi po ibig sabihin na meron kang M.2 slot is basta mo na lang din isasalpak yung inyong drive, no? It depends on your motherboard chipset, no, to be able to squeeze out yung best performance na pwede mong makuha with your SSD. And after you install yung mismong NVMe na drive, you may now turn on your computer, pero wag ka muna pumunta dun sa Windows, no? Pasukin mo muna yung UEFI. And then from that UEFI, i-verify mo if properly ba na nare-read yung inyong NVMe na drive. So, depende again in your board manufacturer, but in most of the cases, kailangan mong pumunta dun sa storage settings or dun sa storage menu. Like in my case, nandun siya sa advanced settings and then meron dong storage configuration. And then from that menu, may kita mo kung nadagdag nga ba or nababasa niya na yung ating additional na drive. Okay? In another cases, you can also go dun sa security tab na kung saan from that security tab, nakalist kung ano-ano yung mga storages na available dun sa ating system unit. So once you have verified it, third step na gagawin natin is you may now go to your Windows operating system. Okay? But wait, hindi po ibig sabihin na na-install mo na siya, na-verify mo na siya. It doesn't mean na yung operating system is mariread na rin agad yung drive. So what you need to do is you have to initialize yung inyong drive. So, go to the disk manager ng ating operating system, and then from that disk management utility, saka mo palang i-assign or i-configure yung inyong drive para maging readily available siya dun sa ating operating system. So, from there, you need to allocate it and then define kung ano yung size, yung drive assignment, and yung file system na gagamitin ninyo to be able to be read yung NVMe ng ating operating system. In most cases, yung 3-step na yon is enough na to be able to enjoy yung panibago ninyong NVMe na drive. But here, I will have a few more points which is the 4th step to install yung proprietary software that comes along with your drive na binili. Like in my case, yung Western Digital, meron silang tinatawag na dashboard application. So you will be needing this dashboard to be able to monitor yung health status ng inyong drive. Like for example, yung temperature, yung lifespan, yung usage, and also yung performance na rin. So there are tools or available configurations from that dashboard to be able to manage properly yung inyong drive. Okay? And then another thing which is the last step na i-consider natin is you have to register yung inyong product. So it depends on different manufacturer, but for Western Digital, there's also a dashboard or there's also a portal wherein you can create an account and then register your device to be able or for the sake of warranty purposes. So from that portal, you need to input yung inyong information, just such as yung item, yung brand na binili ninyo, customer information, yung receipt or proof na pinurchase ninyo yung item na yon. And then once you register your item, pwede ka na mag-raise ng any concerns if in case nagkaroon ng issue yung drive mo later on, and then at the same time, for the warranty purposes. So after you perform those 5 steps, enjoy using your new NVMe na drive. So thank you for tuning in and I hope you found this video useful. Comment below if in case meron kayong mga additional steps or questions about installation ng NVMe na drive. Once again, thank you and God bless.